description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got something that comes by way of Nakama Noodles. They're subscription boxes. They're rad. You can go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, boxjapan.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. And this is Maruchan coming at you with their Ganbare. It has something to do with this little pentagonal cat waving an angry scallion about. This is like Maruchan Ganbare Ore no Shio Onion Salt Yakisoba. I think that's it. I'm wondering if that's like one's in Japanese and one's in English, and it should just be like Ore no Shio Ganbare Yakisoba. I don't know, but we'll see. And it is time. We are going to steep this noodle. This noodle only takes 1 minute to steep. It's really thin. So that's what we're doing immediately. Garnish, liquid, and powder. And since it's a Shio Yakisoba, I'm kind of like hoping that it doesn't end up being just as white as it possibly can be, because that often happens. You know, I want to be able to see some color on the noodle. I think that makes it nice. But yeah, it's already hydrating. But it says 1 minute, 45 seconds. Will that be enough? Watch. There, and just let it sit. It's hard for me just to let it sit. When I got in a pot, I just want to kind of like, but I'm leaving it be. We're going to see what happens with it. I think it'll be just fine. But once we're done with this steeping ritual, it will be time to drain the noodle and then stir it up with all this junk and see what happens. So, I think it'll do just fine. Yeah. 2, 1, and let's see. Did it work out? Sure did. Really only took a minute. Look at that. We gotta drain the noodle, man. Let us drain the noodle. Yeah, it does sound kind of jacked up, but I mean, I am literally draining this noodle. Alright, let's put it together. So, as you can see, thin noodle. Alright, here we go. Should not be a troublesome thing. Okay, we got a powder. You might call it a pooder. That would be weird. And then we have a liquid, which I'm gonna bet is gonna be just like that. Really clear. And then we've got this little thing of garnish, and that's going right on top. So there, it's all done. You can just eat it straight like that. You probably wish you had stirred it. So I'm just going to stir it up. So I think this is going to be heavy on the scallion hit. This is like my guess. It's gonna be really funny scallion, and then a nice light noodle to accompany. We'll see. I have no idea. I've never had this one. Hopefully it's a good one. Squeak, squeak. Somebody was complaining about how I use metal utensils. It's like, come on, it's a pot. I don't tend to use metal when it comes to a just like completely Teflon pot. And there's a little saucepan. Come on, come on. Alright, so we are going to give this yakisoba a try. There it is. Cheers. It's like thin noodles with some onion flavor. My God, is it horrible? No, not at all. Yeah, that's not bad. Is it wonderful? It's not bad. I like the I like the texture of that noodle being so thin going with that flavor. I think it kind of suits it. It's wearing a suit. I have to admit, I don't own a suit, nor have I ever really worn a suit that I can think. Well, I wear a suit jacket and a nice shirt and a tie, but not like the standard suit, you know. We got that. Got some scallion. I think that's enough of that, which sucks because it's the last of my scallion, but I think it would look kind of funny. But I do have fried crispy onion, which I think would work well in this deal here. What else we got? We got egg. We have to make. I will have to make more eggs at some point. I think I'm gonna plan on doing 3, maybe even 4 reviews on Friday. My God, these really came out soft. I mean, they're like dripping. Dripping. Okay. And my apologies if your YouTube video audio sensitive and that clank in my sink was too loud. Yeah. We'll see. And I think I'm going to use a drizzle of Leo chili oil. It seems like a thing I could do. Give this plate some color. That's weird. Okay. Yeah. I think that's the best I'm gonna get. All right. Rotato, do your stuff. Well, that concludes this review. Thanks again to the folks over at Nakama Noodles. You can go and get one of their boxes. You should check them out. Go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, boxjapan.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Reader for a discount. Hey, yeah. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that crap. Have a good one. Later.
It's not the ramen.